In this video, I will show you how to use the Threads app. First, if you want to know about how to create your Threads account, you can check out this video link. You can also find the video in the description below. Now, the first thing that you can do after joining Threads is to follow some accounts. And you can always search for users that you want to follow through this search feature. And after following some users, you should be able to see their threads or posts on your feed, where you can also follow more people. And if you tap these three dots next to a post, you can unfollow or mute the user. You can also hide or report the post. And if you go to their profile, you can perform the same tasks and more tasks, like turn on their notification and accessing their Instagram profile, where you can message them. And to post your own thread, you need to tap this right button and write your post. And if you want to attach a photo or a video or paste a link, you can do so. And you can always add more threads to your main thread. And down here, you can choose who you want to reply to your thread and go on to post your thread. And to any thread or post, you can like it, reply to it, and repost or quote it. You can also share it and perform all these other tasks. And you can always see your replies and mentions on this activity section. And to any thread, you can see the number of replies and likes it has gotten. And if you go to your profile, you can edit it and access other profile features. You can also go to settings and make settings on all these sections, including privacy settings. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Threads and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.